What are the BIM advantage in your point of view?
Yeah, maybe most important point is the visualization because with using BIM, we can very easily visualize what I think to our colleague, not only the colleague, maybe we can show what I think to the client very clearly. It's maybe the strongest point of the BIM.
What advice would you give to a firm considering to make a switch to BIM?
Um, to have a courage. It's very important because to switch from the old way to the design to BIM is a kind of the jump. So you have a courage. It's the most important thing, I think.
Okay. What do you feel is more challenging when making the switch to BIM?
Oh, as I said, anyway, we need to have a courage. And the most one important thing is to throw away the old mindset of the designer and the more old way of the designing because BIM is a very brand new thing. So you should be very flexible about it.
Your work is well known internationally, so can you tell us what you're working on now?
Yeah, as usual, we are mainly work for the big scale super scraper or such kind of thing. But now I work with a very famous architect to handling the very funny shape. And also, I started to work with Korean people. It's a very famous Korean IT company. So, and they ask me to use the BIM during the design period. So maybe we can show the very brand new way of how to use the BIM through that work.
Okay. And in how do you see the future of BIM in your country?
Yeah, maybe I don't know if the word BIM is survive or not, but maybe IT is a very crucial way to change our business and our way of the business design. So I think the most important keyword is IT. Maybe IT will change our business drastically in near future.
And in your opinion, what should be the role of the schools in the definition of a BIM national strategy?
It's another very difficult question, but I think I don't. The school need to be a kind of a BIM trainer. School have to be a more academic way. So I think yeah, our company, our businessman should change the way of the accepting the student. If the student has a very nice background, I mean the history of the architecture and the engineering of the architecture, if he understands such kind of thing, we can very easily train them as a BIM user. So for school to school, I hope they they teach the student real architecture matter, for example, history and the use of the material, such kind of thing. I think those kind of things is very important.